Kia ora, good morning, welcome to MTV.
Today is Monday, the 23rd of November. We are room 9 and room 2.
Broadcasting live from Motat.
Monday's activities are:
Tomorrow is the cricket field day. Both cricket teams need to meet Mr. Webster on the top field at lunchtime.
Choir of Miss Nicholson.
library in the library.
There are no children having birthday today. Joseph in room 15 and Mikhail in room 1 had birthdays on Saturday. Happy birthday!
We now go over to the news desk for the latest news.
Kia ora, good morning and welcome to MTV News. I'm Yunji.
And I'm Stella.
In world news,
A rhinestone encrusted glove worn by Michael Jackson the first time he performed the moonwalk has been sold at auction for $350,000.
the glove among 70 items belonging to the late singer, which went on sale in New York, was sold for nine times the expected price.
The glove was bought by a Hong Kong businessman and will be displayed in a hotel in Macau, China.
In local news,
Australia will soon be able to lay claim to more Kiwi icons as New Zealand's biggest sweet maker shifts production of Moribars, Eskimo lollies and jet planes across the Tasman.
Cadbury's has been planning these changes for some time, and many of New Zealand's favourite lollies are already being produced in Thailand, including Minties.
In sports news,
The All Blacks defeated the English Lions by 19-6 at Twickenham.
Coach Graham Henry said it was the best win of the tour.
And now for the weather.
Today will be cloudy but very warm.
Remember to put your sweatshirts in your bag and check out the lost property for your clothes and shoes.
And now it's back to the studio. And today's question: in Germany, what is Santa Claus also known as?
Find out the answer and tell Phoebe in room 9.
Remember to return your mathathon forms and monies quickly.
The big prize draw is this Friday, and returning your money puts you in the draw for those great prizes. Thanks for tuning in. This is room 9 and room 2. Wishing you a happy Monday. Happy Monday!